hayi umuntu uyongena nje ezulwini ngoba phela akukho laba ngekho khona opotsho. Kodwa into esengizenzile emhlabeni ezinye zingenza kube ngathi mhlangcwajwa ngiphathiswe nemali yokugwaza ukuze ngikwazi nami ukuba khona engizobagwazela phambili ukuze ngingene. So fika ke America kunomncwabo uthiwe emncwabeni kufuneka ichoir or someone who can sing from South Africa because the guy who's being buried is a guy who was a professor of music and who worked a lot with South Africans, especially during the struggle. I no problem, South Africans can sing, I'll try and find you something. And then they make a mistake and tell me ukuthi bane budget 13. I mean, I thought they just wanted someone to come and sing for free. They told me that budget. I was like, actually, I'm a professional singer. I can do that for you, but I'll be doing a favor because usually I charge a lot more. But since it's a funeral, I'll take that. I get to a wedding. I'm like, okay, what I will do is I will sing Amazing Grace. I get 2 of my friends and I tell them, it's okay, we are going to sing. See, at a funeral, ask no questions. This is how much I'm paying you. They're like, okay. We get there, so Tulu Amazing Grace. Must figure there were other choirs. We didn't know what this is a serious professor of music. There are other American choirs, black Americans, white Americans, all sorts. Haige, kutul. Figure an American choir. Nama jazz, allowing at a graduation up blue. They start singing Amazing Grace. And do they not kill it? Do they not sing Amazing Grace in an amazing and graceful way? So I tell my friends, there is no way we are singing Amazing Grace. Number one, I was told even from Sunday school, I must not sing at church because abantu bayabaleka esontweni okufonela uSPCA ucabanga ukuthi khona umuntu oqhinya imbuzi la. So I tell my friends, we're not gonna make fun of ourselves. So Fiala, we will sing Zulu songs. We will sing Zulu. There is no way we are gonna make fun of ourselves. We get there. Our turn comes. We have not practiced. We do not know what we're gonna sing. So I'm like, listen guys, we are gonna sing a song that we all know. A song that these Americans do not know and do not understand, but it's gonna make us stand out. So okay, we ended up singing Umakoti Ngowethu. And you sang with such soul. You sang from your heart. We could tell. That was so beautiful. Silly Raunda Nipogi sitting Umakoti Ngowethu siyavuma. Hey! God you cannot judge us because now I'm check exchange rates between the dollar and the rand. You would have taken that money. It was a decent amount of money. I am happy we did it, and I know that our God is a forgiving God. We did what we were meant to do. We sang a Zulu song and we gave respect to the dearly departed.